How to fix a Fworld application not working problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today basically we are going to talk about how to fix the problem that you are facing in a Fworld application. So example, like if you can't open the videos, if you can't play the if the application is not opening, or any problem that you are facing in F4, this video will be absolutely for you. So guys, before starting the videos, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, basically first of all, what you have to do here, I'm gonna show you. First, make sure, let me just open this is the app world. This is a short video of something wrong with AIP. So what you have to do, you have to first make sure that your data is all right. So just if your data is not all right, then just make sure that your data is on. So this was the first thing, and then let us just try it out. You can see here this box will be hold on. So here I guess this is already set. So if you do this and if these things doesn't work, then what you can do next is like you have to go to your phone system settings. Here as settings, your phone settings, and then you have to scroll down, and then there you will find an option as app management or install apps. So guys, simply click on app management, go to your app list. These apps that you had been seen here, it will be like your installed app. So you can just search for Fworld. So here it is. So here what you need to do here, you can see here, there you will find storage usage option. So simply tap on the storage usage option, and then you can see clear data option. Simply click on the clear data option, and then you have to click on OK, and you have to clear the data, as well as you have to clear the caches. Now go back, and here you can see force stop button. Simply click on the force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. So after doing this, you will find an option again here. So you have to scroll down, there will be an option permission. So simply click on the permission option, and then you have to allow all the permission here. You can see microphone, camera, phone, and storage. So after doing this, you can just go and check it out whether it is working or not. I hope this will absolutely work for you. So guys, the third tips which tricks which I'm going to share with you is you have to go to your Play Store once, and then make sure that your F4 live streaming short video making chat room is updated. So make sure that your F4 application is been updated from Google Play Store. Here you will find the update button, so you can just update and you can just check it out whether it is working or not, your F4 is working or not. So this was the steps, and the next step which I'm going to show you here is you have to go to your settings one more, and you have to go to system update, and then you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So if your system is asking for an update, then you have to update your system, you have to restart your phone, and then reopen the application. I am sure your problem will be solved. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then the additional tricks which I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show you, is you have to uninstall this application and then reinstall it, and then you can try it again with another number, or you can just check it out with your own number. So I hope in this way you will be able to fix the bugs or fix the problem for F4 application. Thanks for watching guys. Please do hit the subscribe button and support me. I will be coming up with better video next time. Thanks for watching.